So today I'm going to show you how to download uTorrent in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you have to go to the www.utorrent.com. Then click on the free download button under Classic uTorrent. Then click on Download Now button. Once you downloaded the file, double-click on it to open. Now click Next button on the Setup window to continue. Click Next. Then click Agree to Terms and Conditions. Then again click Next. Then before click Next, make sure all the options are selected. Wait until you download the additional files. Click Finish to complete installation. Now you can download torrents through uTorrent. You can support me by subscribing my channel